In this video, I'm going to teach you the skip and skim approach. This is an approach I use whenever there is a lengthy scenario, and I use it when I'm actually revising the OSCE scenario again. Sometimes I usually revise the scenario just to make sure I've not missed anything, just to get the right idea about what is actually in the scenario. I just do a quick review again. So let me give you an example. So let's think this is our scenario. In the skip and skim approach, I usually will not read this complete scenario, like Sandra is a 24-year-old female who has come to see you at your clinic as she wants to get some advice. I usually don't do it that way. I just quickly look at the important words like Sandra, 24-year-old female, clinic, advice, worried, weird disease, get advice, taking pill, not on any medical conditions, no allergies, family history ectopic, not pregnant, has boyfriend, sexual intercourse, stranger, pub last night, recreation, drugs, casual partners, painful lesions, herpes, safe sex. Look there, I've just finished the entire scenario, and I use the skip and skim approach where I train my brain. I will not look for lengthy sentences. In fact, I only look for keywords or action words, and this comes with practice. You need to do this. There are some strategies I use, especially increasing the reading speed strategy, which I'm going to teach you in the bonus section. So make sure you listen to that strategy, because that's what I used here. I used that strategy to increase my reading speed, and that will save a lot of time.